Advocare ThermoPlus is a dietary supplement designed to boost metabolism, enhance energy, and support weight management. It's part of Advocare's long-running lineup of fitness and performance products and is often used by people trying to speed up fat loss or break through weight plateaus. A bottle of ThermoPlus costs around $30 to $35 for 90 capsules, which usually lasts a month. It's marketed as a thermogenic booster, meaning it claims to increase the body's calorie burn by slightly raising internal temperature and metabolic rate. The company claims that ThermoPlus helps users burn fat more efficiently, provides sustained energy throughout the day, and support appetite control. It's intended to be used alongside a balanced diet and exercise program, not as a standalone solution. Advocare emphasizes that the formula combines vitamins, plant extracts, and natural stimulants to gently promote fat metabolism without harsh side effects. The main ingredients include niacin, vitamin B3, thiamine, vitamin B1, capsaicin extract from cayenne pepper, guarana seed extract, and green tea extract. Each plays a specific role in the formula's mechanism. Niacin and thiamine are B vitamins that support cellular energy production, helping the body convert food into usable energy more efficiently. Guarana provides a natural source of caffeine, which can temporarily boost alertness and increase fat oxidation. Green tea extract, rich in catechins like EGCG, is widely studied for its metabolism-boosting properties and potential to enhance calorie burning during exercise. Capsaicin, the compound responsible for chili pepper's heat, is a thermogenic agent that may slightly elevate the body's temperature and stimulate fat breakdown. These combined effects theoretically create a mild, natural thermogenic environment that supports weight management efforts. Many users report feeling a noticeable increase in energy and focus within a few days of taking ThermoPlus. Some reviewers mention that it helps reduce fatigue during workouts and supports a more active lifestyle. A few users claim they experienced modest but visible results in body composition when used consistently with a proper diet. However, the overall weight loss reported tends to be gradual and modest, not dramatic. On the downside, some users mention side effects like jitteriness, rapid heartbeat, or stomach discomfort, particularly if they're sensitive to caffeine or take the capsules on an empty stomach. Another red flag often raised is that results vary significantly. While some people notice improved energy and mild fat loss, others report no visible changes at all. There's also mixed feelings about its price, with some considering it expensive for what is essentially a mild stimulant-based supplement. Overall, is Advocare ThermoPlus worth it? If you're looking for a gentle thermogenic supplement that provides a bit of extra energy and supports your workouts, it can be a helpful addition to your regimen, especially if you respond well to caffeine-based products. However, it's not a miracle fat burner and won't replace consistent diet and exercise. Its benefits are subtle, and while the ingredient science is solid, the effects are mild compared to stronger thermogenic blends. So, for someone seeking a clean boost in metabolism and energy, ThermoPlus might be worth trying once, but it's definitely not a magic pill for weight loss.